How to turn off two-step verification on Roblox on computer and mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to disable two-factor authentication on Roblox for both of your computer and mobile device. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing. Now let's dive right into the video. So I have my computer displayed on the screen, showing you how to do this on my computer. Regardless of your device, the first step for the computer users is to click on the gear icon at the top right, then select Settings. For mobile users, you can tap on the three dots at the bottom right of your screen and then select Settings from the menu. In the Settings, navigate to the Security page. Check the two-step verification status. If it's enabled, simply toggle it off. Confirm by logging it again and entering the code from the Authenticator app or the email. Once verified, two-step verification will be disabled easily. So this was all about how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.